Are you looking to start a business in 2023 but not sure where to begin? Look no further. Today, we're going to show you the 7 best businesses to start with the help of ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI.
Just working hard so I can please you.
Hello, and welcome to our channel, Glory Investing Show. Before I dive into the details, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. You must hear about ChatGPT. It is a powerful tool that can assist you with everything from blog post writing to copywriting and video script writing. It can even help you with YouTube animation, allowing you to take your content creation to the next level. Here are the 7 best businesses to start with the help of ChatGPT in 2023. 1. Blog post writing. Blog post writing is a great business to start in 2023, as more and more companies are turning to the internet for their marketing needs. I think it is a shortcut way to make money online from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Blog post writing is the art of making articles that are interesting and catchy for blogs. To make money with this method, you should focus on making high-quality content that resonates with your target audience on a regular basis. Also, building a strong online presence through social media, making connections with other bloggers, and using SEO techniques can help you make a blog more visible and bring people to it. But are you now worried about your blog writing skills, right? I assure you that you have nothing to be concerned about. With the help of ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily create high-quality content that will drive traffic to your website. ChatGPT can help you come up with new ideas, find relevant information, and even write whole blog posts. Think of ChatGPT as your personal writing sidekick. It's like having a trusty pen and paper by your side. Only this pen and paper can do your homework and research. One of the key ways ChatGPT can assist with blog post writing is by generating ideas for articles. For example, if you're struggling to come up with a topic to write about,
I have no idea!
You can input a general theme or keyword related to your blog, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential article ideas. ChatGPT can also help with research by giving relevant facts and figures about a certain topic. This can save you time and effort when looking for sources, giving you more time to work on writing. Furthermore, ChatGPT can write actual blog posts. It can help you come up with interesting titles, interesting introductions, and even whole articles. This can be especially useful for bloggers who are short on time or have writer's block. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create unique, high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it manually. And obviously, ChatGPT can assist with SEO, search engine optimization, by providing suggestions for keywords and phrases that can help increase visibility and drive traffic to your blog. This can be a great way to make sure your blog is easily discoverable by potential readers. What do you think? New blog post writing is easy, right? 2. Copywriting. Let's move on to the next door of making money in 2023. Copywriting can be another of the greatest and fastest ways to make money online. Copywriting is the art of writing text that sells a product or service by being persuasive and interesting. Again, I ask you the same question. Do you think it is difficult to write a persuasive text? Absolutely not. With ChatGPT, you can write copy that is not only persuasive, but also relevant to your target audience. This is crucial for increasing conversations and driving sales. The benefit of using ChatGPT to write copy is that it can figure out who your target audience is and write copy that fits their needs and interests. This means that you can write copy that is more likely to get people to buy, which will lead to more sales. You can save time and increase productivity using ChatGPT. To begin a copywriting business with ChatGPT, you would need to train the model on a large data set of copywriting examples. Once the model is trained, you can use it to generate copies. You can generate multiple versions of a piece of copy in a fraction of the time it would take you to write them manually. So, you can take on more projects and increase your earning potential. Copywriting can be a very lucrative business, with potential earnings ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on the number and complexity of the projects. 3. Video script writing. Now, let's talk about video script writing. It is also a great business move to start using ChatGPT. You know YouTube has brought a big revolution to the video industry. Thousands of videos are uploaded to YouTube every second. So, the demand for video script writing has already touched the sky. You can also be a good video scriptwriter in a marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, and others. But how can you be? Again, the answer is ChatGPT. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create engaging and informative scripts that will keep viewers interested from start to finish. It can generate earnings of $3,000 to $8,000 per month. 4. YouTube automation on steroids. The fourth idea is YouTube automation. The term YouTube automation describes the method by which videos are uploaded to and managed on YouTube without the involvement of a human operator. There are a lot of people out there whose ultimate goal is to become full-time YouTubers with millions of subscribers. Because of this, one of the most popular and quickly growing ways to make money on YouTube is to automate the channel. But which tools do you prefer? Yes, of course, ChatGPT. You can create a steady stream of high-quality content using ChatGPT that will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. But there is one thing you should always remember. Without proper oversight and editing, this can result in low-quality or potentially plagiarized content. Also, it's important to know YouTube's rules about automated content creation, as some types of automation may be against the rules.
What? What the f?
5. Launching your own content website. You can launch your own content website. Creating your own content website can be a very profitable business. Depending on how many visitors you get and how much money you make from advertising or affiliate marketing, you could make anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 per month. When you use ChatGPT to start your own content website, one of the benefits is that it can figure out who your target audience is and write articles that fit their interests and needs. This means you can write articles that are more likely to be read, shared, and monetized. ChatGPT will also help you find the proper keywords and generate SEO articles. 6. Lensa Model. Many of you have already heard of Lensa, the app that made artificial intelligence anime avatars popular on social media platforms like Instagram. Lensa is a startup that uses social engineering and the Stable Diffusion API to create photos that make individuals look better than they are. In order to increase the virality of its marketing, it creates anime avatars. As a result, Lensa is able to turn a profit from consumers shelling out a few dollars to have their photos taken. After receiving the necessary instructions, they proceed with Stable Diffusion. To an extraordinary degree, Lensa succeeded in achieving its goal. Because of how they promoted their app on social media, a lot more people have downloaded and used it. Therefore, consider how you might use the already available image-based tools to make photos and works of art that you could potentially sell. It could be a good option for you. 7. Fine-tune your own Moz. If you're looking to make money by fine-tuning your own Moz, you've come to the right place. Moz, or Machine as a Service, is a great way to open up new business opportunities and monetize your skills. With ChatGPT, you can create your own Moz and start earning right away. With a few simple steps, you can customize your Moz to your own specifications, giving you ultimate control over how you make money. Whether you're a tech whiz or a total newbie, ChatGPT makes it easy to get started and make money with Moz. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and fine-tune your own Moz today. In the end, you can realize that ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you start and grow a successful business in 2023. Whether you're interested in blog post writing, copywriting, video script writing, YouTube automation, launching your own content website, or creating customized language models, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Give it a try and see what it can do for you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us to get more interesting videos like this.